Sakit na ito, ang tawag lifestyle disease. Pero ang World Health Organization, pinangalanan sila ang tawag NCDs or non-communicable disease. Ang ibig sabihin, hindi nakakahawa. Kaya lifestyle kasi dulot siya ng sigarilyo, vape, hindi pagkain ng tama, hindi pag-ehersisyo, hindi ideal yung body weight, umiinom ng alak. Then the other side, which is around 20%, is the communicable disease. Ito yung mga pneumonia, AIDS or HIV, then tuberculosis. Pero ang pangkaraniwang kinamamatay ng tao ay yung lifestyle diseases. So, mahirap siyang i-address because lifestyle eh. Unfortunately, ang problem natin in the Philippines, hindi walkable yung ating environment. We are the country with the lowest lifespan. Ang Pilipino, ang buhay ay 72 lang. And in Asia, tayong pinakamababang longevity. Kung ikaw lang you just drift at wala kang ritual, that's about 7 Christmases and summer vacation. Ibig sabihin, wala kang gagawin. Kung hindi ka nagpapacheck up, how could that be? So the first reason why we fail in health is ignorance. That is from the book Checklist by Atul Gawande. So education is key. So kung na-integrate siya ang preventive health